Let's explore the battleships of the Royal Navy during World War II. First up, the Queen Elizabeth class. This class included HMS Queen Elizabeth and HMS Warspite. Known for their speed and firepower, they were pivotal in many battles. Next, the King George V class, famous ships like HMS King George V and HMS Prince of Wales. These battleships played crucial roles in the Atlantic Ocean. Then we have the Nelson class, featuring HMS Nelson and HMS Rodney. They were unique with all their main guns forward of the superstructure. Finally, the Renown class battlecruisers turned fast battleships, HMS Renown and HMS Repulse. Fast and heavily armored, they were key in many operations. Stay tuned for more naval history.